here we have Horror Tales The Wine being played on the Xbox One. So we've got settings, so we have audio settings, so we've got master volume, music, and sound effects volume. Accessibility options. You can change the text style, you can change the text size, you can turn subtitles on or off, you can adjust the gamma. That's what it's supposed to be at. I have it a little bit higher. Crosshair style, outline style, rotate sensitivity, vibration, camera shake, photo mode unlocked. I'll go ahead and say yes. I don't know why that's in the accessibility options, but it is. And you have controls, so you can customize your controls in whether you like. I'm not going to do that though. And you have language options, credits. I'm going to go ahead and go to play. I'm not going to continue the game. I'm actually going to go ahead and go to chapters. And I'll go ahead and do the tasting. This is the first chapter here. I'm about halfway through the game. I put a good solid amount of time into this game. Talking at least, I want to say at least maybe 6 hours in total, give or take. I had this game for quite some time. These puzzles are the point where I'm at. It's kind of tricky, but all right. So here is where you start out at. You can go ahead and sail home, but you can't yet because you have to find the bottle of wine. So it gives you the controls, which is nice as you're playing the game. For those who don't know, this is a survival horror. Doors left from the side, so we're gonna go this way. So, the story is that there's this plague, and the only way to cure this plague or this disease is to find a bottle of wine. But there's no bottles of wine anywhere that you can find. So you're trying to investigate, trying to find this wine that'll cure this plague. And that's really the gist of the story here. Okay, I can't go through there. Back this way. Yeah, when that happened the first time, that I just jumped. That was scary. All right, so this guy you see here, this guy hunts you down. So far, he's headless for me. He doesn't actually have a head. I don't know if that's the same guy or if it's a different guy, but the guy that chases me he's headless. I'm pretty sure it's the same guy. I go this way. You can use the left button to run. A is to jump, and it tells you there, yeah. And then you've got the left button or left trigger to crouch. Graphically, the game is beautiful. I love the environments. I love the game just looks really really neat. The sound's nice. The game flows pretty well. The puzzles can be a bit tricky, but overall, very amazing, beautiful, fun experience so far. And definitely, it definitely can be creepy. Oh, geez, like that. Okay, so that was interesting. I don't know if that's intentional or not. But you can open up all these cabinets and drawers and stuff to look in it and into them, or in them rather. Sorry. Sometimes there's keys and stuff in these cabinets, so it's a good idea to open them all up, see what's in there. I like the attention to detail. I like the spoons and the items in the drawers are kind of cool. A lot of attention to detail there. Papers. One thing that I don't really care for, I mean, I understand the need to present the controls, which are handy, but to have the prompt come up every time Like press B to open a drawer. And then left stick to rotate, B to keep object. That's constant. That's up all the time. I mean, I think that it would be sufficient enough to have it come up once and not again. But that's just, whoa. I forgot that does that. But that's just my little nitpickiness, I guess. Also, you can't shut doors that you open. I think that's, I want to say that's because, oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Just, oh, man. I want to say that's because, you know, to show where you've already been, I think is part of it. And let's grab these boards. Drop them. Crouch. Go through there. But yeah, this game is just beautiful looking. I can't open that yet. I have to go around. Go up here. So you'll find these pages, and these pages will help you to solve puzzles that are come out. But you can actually pick up boxes and break them, and barrels and break them. It's kind of fun, and you can stack them up and jump on them. Like if I wanted to go ahead and put this up here, right? Oh, okay. Well, I was able to do it before. Let's see if I can. There we go. See? And now if I wanted to like bring this over here and put it, you gotta put it. Oh, you gotta put it down very, very softly. See, and I can just jump up here if I wanted. That's kind of fun. Alright, so there's pages over there you can read, but we don't need to worry about that. Or you can just smash them all. Smash boxes and stuff here. That door is locked. Come up here. Gate's locked. Go back over here. And there's that page there. It tells you what that is. And yeah, you're gonna need that because it's over here. Yeah. No. Oh wait, now the door should be open. No, what the? Oh, that's right. It's over here. It's right over here. I gotta go this way. What's that? Oh, cool. I got a collectible. Awesome. Cool. Okay, I didn't know that was there. But yeah, I gotta go this way. Go through this, through here. I don't have the flashlight yet, so I can't actually look in these dark places. There's another one. But yeah, you're gonna need those to solve these puzzles. I have a feeling that your first encounter with this guy is coming up. I have a feeling. No, maybe not yet. You Go this way. Yeah, you can't go that way yet. You gotta go this way. Yep. Okay. So when the light blinks like that, usually that means that you're gonna come up against the ghost. And you gotta run away. I'm gonna run across here. Okay. I thought he was gonna be here. Oh, maybe not. Okay. I was wrong. Could've sworn he's around here somewhere. I'm gonna turn the gamma up a little bit. So I can see a little bit better. There we go. But yeah, you notice wine is everywhere in this game. And then you gotta use the... No, you gotta go this way. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So grab the box. Put the box over here without breaking it, hopefully. There we go. Nope. Nope. There we go. Okay, so here's your first puzzle. And if memory serves... Well, that one is the grapes. That one should be right. Nope. I was wrong. Okay. Let's see what the other one was. Oh gosh! Jeez! See? Ugh. Come on. Yeah, and there it goes away. Okay. So we got... Alright, so I'm gonna go back over here. So that's not even part of... Huh? Okay, that's not even... That's not even part of that puzzle. Oh, it's out here. Oh, yeah. I like this, too. I like the fact that there's these floating items here that will just float off into space, which is kind of cool looking. Yeah, okay, so that's right. So that one... This one right here, I believe, is for the one out there. I'm not sure why I can't open that one, though. Huh. Okay, well, let's keep going. That is so cool looking. You can't swim, by the way. You'll end up being reset back to the back on land if you try to swim in this or any other regular looking water. Okay. Alright, so I had that one wrong. So I have to go all the way back. Wait. Did that just... Oh, God. See, this game screws with you. I like that, and I find it annoying at the same time. Alright, so, okay, that... And then... Okay. There was 3 there before, now there's 4. Oh, okay. Well, that's cool. Alright, so... We got... That one... That one, and then this one's gotta be the corkscrew. I think. Nope. Wow, what am I missing? Let's see. Okay, so there's that one. Okay, so leaf corkscrew, glass bottle. Okay, I can do it now, I think. Okay, so glass bottle, leaf corkscrew. It needs to be that one. That should be right, I think. Yep, got it. Awesome. Okay, so this has been a look at Horror Tales: The Wine on the Xbox One. I want to thank the developer very much for the re-updating of this game. This game is beautiful. It's amazing. It's scary. It's definitely worth checking out, you guys. It's going to be on. It's on Xbox One, PS4. I think it's also coming to Switch as well. So definitely a game to be looking out for. Definitely one to just see out and play and add to your digital library. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. As always, till next time. Take care and happy gaming.